Want to create a cool outline effect in DaVinci Resolve? I'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. First, select your clip in the timeline. Hold Alt and drag it above the original to create a duplicate. Next, open the Effects panel. Search for Edge Detect and apply it to the duplicated clip. Now, go to the Inspector panel, switch to the Video tab, and change the composite mode to screen. Adjust the scale and position to fit your composition. Then, open Edge Detect settings, set the mode to grayscale edges, and tweak the edge width, brightness, and gamma until you get the look you want. For the final touch, go to Filter Settings. Find Half Edges Only, and switch it to Keep Light Side or Keep Dark Side for a more refined effect. And that's it! You've successfully created an outline effect in DaVinci Resolve.